Welcome to Anaheim Community Hospital's Spravato treatment program, a specialized therapy designed to help those struggling with treatment-resistant depression. If you or a loved one are seeking relief, this video will guide you through what to expect during your Spravato journey with us. Your journey begins when you call our dedicated Spravato line at 714-243-9090. After selecting the Spravato option from the menu, you'll be connected with our friendly outpatient services coordinator, who will forward your call to our scheduler for a compassionate intake assessment. This phone evaluation helps us understand how best to support you. Next, we'll schedule your in-depth, 2-hour psychiatric evaluation with one of our experienced clinicians. During this visit, you'll review your history, complete an important depression assessment, and learn all about Spravato treatment, including what to do to prepare for your sessions. We want you to leave this appointment feeling informed and comfortable with the process. Behind the scenes, our team works diligently to obtain your insurance authorization, typically within about 72 hours. Once approved, our scheduler coordinates with our convenient on-site pharmacy to ensure your medication is ready. For your treatment, you'll begin with a 56 milligram dose, then transition to 84 milligrams twice weekly for 4 weeks, followed by once weekly for another 4 weeks. Our scheduler will then call you to arrange your personalized treatment schedule. Most patients begin with sessions early in the week, but we'll work to accommodate your availability. Remember to arrive 30 minutes early for your very first appointment to complete necessary paperwork and screenings. On treatment days, you'll check in with our outpatient services coordinator. Your first appointment includes a quick urine screening. This routine safety measure will be done monthly as you continue treatment, as it helps us gather important health insights. You'll relax in our calming treatment room while we process your results, which typically takes just 10 to 15 minutes. During your treatment, our nurse will administer Spravato as a gentle nasal spray. You'll then spend 2 hours relaxing in one of our comfortable recliners. This is your time to unwind. You might listen to music, journal, or simply rest. We ask that you avoid phone use during this time to help you fully focus on your treatment experience. Our staff will check your blood pressure periodically throughout the session to ensure your comfort. Before you leave, your provider will confirm you're ready for discharge. Because Spravato may cause drowsiness or dizziness, a ride home is required. This is an important safety requirement we take very seriously. At Anaheim Community Hospital, we've carefully designed every aspect of your Spravato experience to be as comfortable and supportive as possible. When you're ready to begin, call us at 714-243-9090. Your journey to hope starts here.